Hi, I'm Travis Vergens, Midwest Northeast Sales Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. The prepared salads market in the U.S. was over $6 billion last year and has an estimated annual growth of more than 7% every year through 2028. The driving growth of this market is attributed to the increasing preference of light meals, a wide variety of choices, and convenience. Prepared salads have also become healthy and they taste great. We're now shipping another Clean Flow, Easy Flow, Cook-Cool system, which is ideal for various pasta shapes that go into prepared salads, such as macaroni, bow ties, rotini, shells, and spirals. Clean Flow was designed to address the need for reduced sanitation cleanup times for the RTE and prepared meal processors, which require quick changeovers so processors are able to run multiple products in a day. I'd like to point out a few key benefits of this design. Higher recovery. Our patented HydroFlow agitation gently handles product and helps eliminate sticking and clumping losses because it handles each particulate of food separately, not in one dense mass. Sanitary design. Clean Flow is the most hygienic designed blancher, cooker, or cooler in the food industry. It's 95% self-cleaning because the internal operational surfaces are cleaned in minutes, not hours. The system has its own CIP pump and basket filter integrated right into the design. Reduced labor, improved quality, and a guaranteed repeatable process. Take the guesswork out of your process as Lyco's automated control system minimizes labor, increases efficiency, improves product quality and consistency, and can reduce your energy costs. Lyco's standard control systems are user-friendly and use Rockwell Automation Allen Bradley PLCs, HMIs, and VFDs. We invite you to visit our 10,000 square foot testing facility and schedule a time to run your products in our state-of-the-art lab. If you'd like more information on our cooking cooling systems, please call our office at 920-623-4152 or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.